The first step for migrating quizzes will be to be in Blackboard. And what we want to do is select all of the quizzes that are contained in each class. And we want to make sure that you have all selected. And then you can come back and select them all. Scroll to the bottom and select Export. What this will do, we'll be able to put them into a zip file and say OK. And it will create this file. When the process is complete, this is the type of information you want to see, that the export was successful. Now we can return, and we can go into the File Manager and find our zip file, and let's move it to our computer, and we'll save the file. Next, we'll switch over to Desire to Learn, and to import the quizzes that we've just processed, we'll go into Edit Course. This is where we'll find the option to import, export, copy components. And what we're going to do is import components. We'll browse for that zip file that we had, find it in the Downloads folder, open it, and click Next. When that process is complete, we can continue with Next. And on this screen, I'll select all components and click Next. I will now confirm that this looks appropriate, and the process begins. So the green check marks indicate that we were successful. I will continue by clicking Next again, and then does tell us that in fact it was successful and we can return. With that process complete, we can click on Quizzes now and see that the quizzes from Blackboard have indeed been imported. The import process seems to lock. You can see here the lock in front of the quiz. So the way to remove that would be to go into each quiz by clicking on the title and going into Restrictions and selecting Remove All Conditions by clicking on the trash can. And with that complete, click Save. And we again see that it saves successfully. Now we can return to the quiz list, and this will confirm that the lock has been removed. As we saw with manually building many of the items in Desire to Learn, discussions, drop boxes, it's no different than quizzes. We have to create a grade item, which of course we've learned is a grade column. So for each quiz, you can click on the title, scroll down to where we can see Add a Grade Item, because we wouldn't see it here. So we're going to add a grade item and name it. Call this Quiz 1. Category, the total number of points. And then we can save this and then save the quiz. So you'll want to do that for each one of those to tie it into the gradebook as well.